Hello, this is Cheonggyecheon Stream in Seoul. Cheonggyecheon Stream is a river that flows in front of the palace. Looking around the river, you'll see quite a few high-rise buildings. This is where the headquarters of Seoul's major corporations are located. This is understandable, as this area has long been the capital, making it a popular destination for most Koreans. Where I currently live is upstream of the river. It's the most visited area. In the 1960s, this river was incredibly dirty. It functioned as a sewage system. The city's wastewater was discharged into this river. As a result, there were many cases of waterborne diseases like typhoid and cholera. In particular, poor people who came from Seoul would build shacks here and live there. They washed their clothes and showered in this river, which flowed like sewage, much like the Ganges River in India. At that time, disease transmission due to water pollution was commonplace. In 1970, this river was covered and an elevated highway was built. At the time, Seoul was experiencing rapid urban expansion, and a road capable of handling more automobile traffic was needed. After the road was completed, countless vehicles passed through this area. Imagine a car-only road and a 3-story elevated highway over this river. The atmosphere must have been suffocating, almost suffocating. There weren't any restaurants or cafes nearby like there are today. It was mainly filled with manufacturing businesses. There was even a joke that you could build a tank by going around the shops along Cheonggyecheon.
When the dawn flies, when the bee stings, when the bells run, I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't
감사합니다. 여러분이 이제 점점 음악에 이제 또 집중해 주시는 모습도 좋고 또 책을 읽으시는 모습도 너무 좋습니다. 원하시는 방식대로 이제 즐기시고요. 작가들은 글을 쓰고 뮤지션들은 뭘 쓸까요? 곡을 쓰죠. 네, 이 곡은 제 자작곡입니다. 좀 더 특별하게 제가 이제 홍보하고자 하는 마음이 좀 있습니다. 그래서 이 사랑에 관한 곡이에요. 사랑의 변화 무쌍한 마음, 그렇게 좋았다가 그렇게 슬펐다가 하는 그 마음 때문에 좀 다채로운 멜로디를 썼어요. 한번 감상해 주셔요. 불어로 썼어요.
The Cheonggyecheon River transformed into its current form in 2005. That was about 20 years ago. The overpass, built in the 1970s, was completely transformed after concerns about its aging and collapse were raised. As the city developed, other road networks were created, alleviating traffic congestion, and the existing overpass no longer needed to be maintained. The restored Cheonggyecheon River has become a major tourist attraction and symbol of Seoul. Thanks to the river, a natural ecosystem has been created, allowing for close-up observations of fish and birds. During the hot summer months, the urban heat island effect has been reduced by up to 5 degrees Celsius. If you look at the wall on the right, you'll see that it's quite high. Korea experiences a lot of rain in the summer. On days with heavy rain, the riverside promenade is closed, and the river water rises to the wall. On the left, you can see a waterfall. Water from the Han River in Seoul is purified there and then pumped here. It's normally an artificial stream, but on rainy days, it becomes a natural stream. I arrived at the square. The tower sculpture in front is impressive. It's the work of pop artist Claes Oldenburg. The tower is inspired by a snail. If you look at the floor, you'll see a groove. On rainy days, water from the tower flows down the groove and into the river. This concludes my Cheonggyecheon video. Thank you for watching.